In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone your voice with ElevenLabs. This technology is a game changer for anyone looking to create personalized audio content, whether it's for personal use, podcasts, or professional projects. So let's dive right in. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First off, when you're ready to get started, the first thing you'll need to do is choose a cloning method. With ElevenLabs, you have a couple of options. The instant voice clone is perfect if you need something quick and easy, ideal for personal use. To use this method, all you'll need is a short audio sample of your voice, lasting between 1 to 5 minutes. On the other hand, if you're aiming for something a bit more high quality, especially suitable for commercial use, you might want to go with the professional voice cloning option. This method is great for things like audiobooks, as it requires a larger data set and has a bit more complexity. You will need to sign up for a paid creator plan and get manual approval from ElevenLabs to access this feature. Once you've decided on the cloning method, the next step is to provide your voice sample. If you're going with the instant voice clone, you can either upload a pre-recorded clip or record your voice directly through the ElevenLabs platform. Recording inside the platform can be a great option if you're looking to create your sample on the spot without any additional tools. Whatever method you choose, just make sure your recording is clear and has minimal background noise for the best results. After you've provided your voice sample, it's time to let the AI work its magic. ElevenLabs will analyze your audio file, focusing on elements like pitch, accent, rhythm, and even the emotional tone of your speech. Don't worry. This part is completely automated, so you can sit back and relax while the magic happens. The AI will create a synthetic replica of your voice based on what it learns from your sample. Once the synthesis is complete, you'll have your newly cloned voice ready to go. The next step is to use and fine-tune it to match your vision for the project. You'll select your cloned voice and type in the text that you want it to read. Take your time to adjust any necessary settings to refine the delivery. You can tweak parameters like speed, pitch, volume, and even add some emotion to the voice output, depending on what you want to achieve. This adjustment process allows you to create something that truly feels like your own, imbuing it with personal flair and even character. And there you have it. You've successfully cloned your voice using ElevenLabs. Whether it's for personal storytelling, a professional audio project, or anything in between, this modern technology provides a fantastic way to bring your ideas to life. Thank you for following along with me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.